Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. Hope you are healthy and fine. Our today's topic is volume 2B workbook page number 126 till 129. Our learning objectives are to estimate and compare volumes, to estimate and measure volume of liquids in liters. Open 2B workbook page number 126. Write day, date and classwork at the top. It's the comparing volume page. Question number 5. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. We have 3 jugs here, X, Y and Z. In front of each jug there are some bottles. The milk from the jugs are poured into the bottles, so we can compare them easily. Look at jug X. From jug X milk 6 bottles are filled. From jug Y 8 bottles are filled, and from jug Z 10 bottles are filled. A. Jug dash has the greatest volume of milk. Compare all the 3 jugs and you will find out jug Z has the most or greatest volume of milk because it can fill 10 bottles. So write Z in A part. B. Jug dash has less milk than jug Y. Now compare jug Y with other 2 jugs. Jug Y can fill 8 bottles and it is more than 6 bottles which jug X can fill. So jug X has less milk than jug Y. Write X in B part. Next question, question number 6. Which container holds the most amount of oil? Put a tick in the box. We have 3 containers here and they poured the oil into 3 similar beakers, so we can compare them easily. Look at the first container. The beaker under the first container has the least amount of oil. Look at the second one. The beaker under the second container has more oil than first container and less oil than third container. Now look at the third beaker under the third container. It has the most amount of oil, or it can hold most amount of oil. So put a tick in this container under the box in this container. Now we are moving towards our next page 127. Please write classwork above. Measuring volume in liters. Question number 1. Write the volume of the water in the following containers using L. As you know, L stands for liters. Look at the A part. There is the beaker in front of that container. The water from that container is poured into the beaker, so we can check the volume of water. In the beaker there are small markings. It is equal markings from 1 liter till 6 liters, and the level of water is up to 5 liter. It means the volume of water in this container is 5 liter. So write 5L here. B. A bottle. In front of bottle there is a 2 liter beaker and the level of water is up to 2 liter. The volume of water in the bottle is 2 liter. So write 2L in this box. Now C part, it's a kettle. In front of a kettle we have again a beaker and the level of water in this beaker is up to 3 liters. It means the kettle or container has the volume of 3 liters. Write 3L here. Next page 128. Write classwork above. Question number 2. What is the total volume of water in each of the containers? Now we will count the total volume here. A. There are 4 bottles in front of a container. They are similar bottles. Each has 1 liter of water. So add them. The answer is 4 liter. This means the total volume of water in this container is 4 liter. Write 4L here. B part. There are 2 beakers in front of a container. Each beaker holds 2 liter of water. 2 plus 2 is 4. So the volume of water in this container is 4 liters. Write 4L here. C part. It's a bucket. And in front of bucket there are 3 containers. First container is 5 liter container. First beaker is 5 liter beaker, 6 liter beaker. And if you will check the level of water in it, it is up to 5 liters. Now check the other 2 beakers. The level of water in both beaker is 2 liters. So add them, 5 plus 2 plus 2, the answer is 9 liters. The volume of water in this container or bucket is 9 liters. Write 9L here. We are moving towards our last page. 2B workbook page number 129. Write classwork above. We have a continuity of question on this page. D part. There is a jug. In front of jug there are 2 similar beakers. Each is holding 3 liter of water, and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 liters. So the total volume of water in the jug is 6 liters. Write 6L here. E part. There are 3 buckets, similar buckets in front of the container, and each bucket is holding 5 liter of water, and add them. So add them. The answer is 15 liter. The total volume of water in this container is 15 liters. Write 15L here. Last part, F. It's a beaker, and in front of beaker we have 3 similar bottles. Each bottle is holding 2 liter of water. Add them. The answer is 6 liters. The total volume of water in this beaker or container is 6 liters. So write 6L in F part. Now we are moving towards our homework. 2B workbook page number 130. This page has only one question. Please write the date and homework at the top before starting your work. The question is about true or false. Read the statements carefully and write your suitable answer in it. And inshallah, I will upload the answer key of this page soon. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.